Right, we have some new product development, some new things to show you. Let us know what you think of it. So, what's the problem we're trying to solve, Alicia? On the Land Rover Defender, you have lots of nice body colour panels, and I like that. It gives you a retro look. You can see the colour of your vehicle. Bit deceptive on ours because it's wrapped green and the inside's white, but we'll gloss over that. But people have been saying, especially on a commercial apparently, if you put all your tools and stuff in the back and you accelerate, everything just goes bam and clatters against. And you can see we have, in our relatively light use of the poor old Stig, he's got a few war wounds there. So we have developed a checker plate kit. There you go. And what do you get? You get 3 bits of checker plate. We were going to do it all in one big bit, but there's a problem with expansion and contraction. The bigger you get, even 3%, when it gets over that length, can be sort of that much and the fit. So it was better for us to do it, and also it meant cheaper packaging. So it's come as a 3-piece kit, which has advantages and disadvantages. And you get a wipe. So let's start wiping, shall we, Alicia?
Yeah.
So this is obviously stick-on. We're going to use double-sided tape. You could use sticker flex or Tiger seal or something. Right, let's give it all a clean whoosh. Oh look, that's actually cleaned off some of the marks, Alicia. Oh, some of them need more than a wipe. Like those, they're pretty savage, aren't they? Some of it's cleaned off. Now I had some stuff mounted on here. I had my gas holder, which was a bit of a prototype. People complained about that. They said you can't store gas on its side. And there was some evidence of that, but not really much. But anyway, I thought I better not launch it and kill people. Right. We are going to start with the bit at that side. I think it's logical. Right. So it comes with loads of double-sided tape. Now we haven't even trial fitted. We trial fitted it back in the day. Right. Some of these tapes are a nightmare to peel off. This one looks alright. Get someone with some nails. I think I've got longer nails than you have, Alicia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right then. Alright, well, I'll finish peeling this off. Schoolboy error. Schoolboy error. Before you try any sticky parts on and get overexcited like I have and start peeling it off, you should always trial fit it. Because otherwise you can't trial fit it. So you have to work out where it's going to go and which side it's going to go on, you see, because it actually goes all the way down here, look, round there. So have a think about it, try it on before you get excited like me and get all your tape off. Make sure you know, you've got a strategy, you know which corner you're going to get it sat nicely against. See, I get too excited about my own products. Don't get as excited as I do, you'll be alright. Right then. Right, here goes Alicia. We're clean, we've worked out our strategy, but we haven't, but we're making it up. Right, so we are going to go on here. Right, and we need to get that corner. Ooh, we need to get it. It needs to have a nice gap around this one here. Right. Oh, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Now, obviously we've looked at the weather seal. Right, the weather seal on the door comes here, right? So it's actually against this edge here. So we couldn't bring it down over this edge because this is where your weather seal is going to be, and you wouldn't want checker plate over your weather seal. Right, next one, this long piece along the bottom. Now, yes, now look, we've staggered it so you can line this, we'll line it up properly. You see, we can line that one up, and that one, so that's like a sort of female end if you like, and that's like a male end. Right, let's get this off. So we line that up there. That's there. Now, adhesive, the way it works, it takes 24 hours to get full strength, so don't go trying. And also, it's not quite so good in the winter. So ideally, put your car in the garage if you're doing it in the freezing cold. It's fine once it's stuck, but trying to stick it in the cold is hard. Right, let's get these off. Again. Right then, look, don't do as I do. Try your strategy before you go. So you're going to get that bottom corner in, look. that bottom bit there level, and then get that edge up here parallel. Okay, it's going to come out a bit there. Right, it's going to sit about there. Okay, right, let's go. We're all peeled off. Let's have a go. Oh, it's not going to cover all of that, is it, Alicia?
No.
We'll cover some of it. One thing we were debating, I'll fit this and while I concentrate, and then we'll have a discussion. Right, there you go. That's it. Now we were discussing these bits. We didn't want to come up here because it looked a bit odd. It looked overkill. We wanted to keep some of the white, and the main area of damage was around here. But we could do a little black vinyl sticky square if people wanted it. Let us know what your thoughts are. Should we add a little vinyl square patch in here that we could cut on the vinyl cutter? Let us know. But I'm going to have to do it on mine because I've got this weird bit otherwise. Right, there we go. There is our checker plate kit. We'll get that for sale on the website. Let us know what you think.